In the realm of personal safety, it's crucial to have discreet and easily portable self-defense gadgets that can provide protection when needed. These gadgets are designed to appear ordinary at first glance, but hold the power to transform you into a formidable defender. From a seemingly innocuous little card that turns into a fully functional pistol to a phone case that doubles as a powerful stun gun, and even a tool reminiscent of Catwoman or Wolverine's claws. Let's explore some of these hidden self-defense gadgets that you can carry with ease. Number 1. Hidden Knife Belt. The hidden knife belt is an innovative belt equipped with a concealed knife for self-defense purposes. The blade remains discreetly hidden within the opposite side of the buckle and can be deployed swiftly when needed. Despite its stealthy mechanism, the blade is nearly the size of a full-size kitchen knife, providing a formidable defense option. With its functional belt design, it blends seamlessly into everyday attire without drawing unnecessary attention. Number 2. Credit Card Knife. The credit card knife is a discreet folding knife that resembles a credit card when folded, allowing it to easily fit into your wallet without drawing attention. Unfolding it reveals a sturdy and sharp blade made of specialized surgical steel. Despite its compact size, it is durable and capable of cutting through various materials with ease. This portable knife ensures that you always have a concealed tool at your disposal. Number 3. Paracord Knife Bracelet. Combining style and self-defense, the Paracord Knife Bracelet features a 1.5-inch sharp blade shaped like an eagle's claw. Its robust build ensures durability, and the handle grooves and thumb ramp provide a secure grip. The adjustable loop allows for a perfect fit on your wrist, and it comes in various colors to match your personal style. This bracelet ensures that you have a discreet weapon readily available when needed. Number 4. Lady Self-Defense Claw. The Lady Self-Defense Claw is a powerful claw-shaped tool designed specifically for self-defense. It features retractable blades, ensuring surprise and effectiveness against attackers. The foam layer between the grip absorbs the force of an attack, preventing hand injuries during self-defense maneuvers. This tool provides women with a discreet and reliable means of personal safety. Number 5. Go Guarded Ring. The Go Guarded Ring is a stylish rubberized ring that conceals a hidden knife. The retractable blade is revealed upon striking, providing a means of defense. Its stretchable design ensures a secure grip, making it suitable for various situations, including jogging. Available in different colors and blade sizes, the Go Guarded Ring can be customized to suit individual preferences, while providing an effective self-defense tool. Number 6. Streetwise Sting Ring. The Streetwise Sting Ring is a concealed stun gun cleverly designed as a ring, making it effortless to carry. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with the ability to deliver a jolt of 18 million volts, effectively disorienting attackers. Activating the Sting Ring is as simple as giving it a little squeeze. It features a safety switch to prevent accidental discharge and comes with a built-in rechargeable battery for convenient use. Number 7. Sierra KT Provoke Compact. The Sierra KT Provoke Compact is a tactical knife designed for everyday carry and self-defense. Its low-profile folding design and pocket clip ensure easy and discreet carrying. The high-carbon stainless steel blade is exceptionally sharp, while the black stone wash handle provides durability even in harsh conditions. Deployment is simple, requiring only a push of the thumb, making it an efficient self-defense tool for personal safety. Number 8. Life Card. The Life Card is a compact folding pistol that resembles a stack of credit cards. Its thin and discreet design allows for easy pocket carry. When unfolded, it transforms into a powerful pistol with a full-size grip, offering steady aim. With minimal recoil and user-friendly operation, it doesn't require extensive training. The hidden compartment in the Life Card can hold up to 3 backup bullets, ensuring preparedness in critical situations. Number 9. Phone Stun Gun. The Phone Stun Gun case goes beyond the ordinary phone case by incorporating a powerful stun gun for personal protection. Available in different sizes to match various phone models, it offers both stun gun functionality and phone protection in one. The sharp prongs can penetrate clothing and make direct contact with the skin, delivering a disorienting charge to assailants. The stun gun component can be easily detached when not in use, and the built-in battery pack continues to charge your phone. Number 10. Fast Strike Whip. The Fast Strike Whip is a lightweight personal whip designed for quick action and self-defense. It provides a strong grip with its groove handle and allows for rapid strikes. The rubberized end adds momentum to each strike, making it even more powerful. When not in use, it can be easily folded and stored in a pocket, ensuring easy accessibility and discreet carry. These hidden self-defense gadgets offer discreet personal safety solutions. From folding pistols and stun rings to disguised phone cases and concealed knives, these gadgets provide effective means of protection while remaining inconspicuous. Whether for everyday carry or specific situations, these gadgets ensure personal security in various scenarios. Stay prepared and stay safe.